Hi guys, so let me quickly do this video for a few of you that have been asking me about the Skin Perfector serum and its brothers. Okay, so this is our Skin Perfector serum. Some of you who received earlier must have received this in a more kind of crystallized form, but this is our Skin Perfector serum. Now a lot of you have been asking, this one that you have three different grades. Now which one have I been buying? This is the pure Skin Perfector serum that we have been selling. Okay, what this does is it helps to clear your skin of any impurities. It helps to remove dark knuckles, dark spots. It helps to give you a uniform, perfectly clean complexion. Okay, it also helps to whiten your skin when you add it in your skin whitening products with other skin whitening actives. Okay, it helps to boost the effect of other skin whitening actives as well, and you can also use it in your knuckle products, in your dark food products, in so many other products that has to do with depigmenting. Okay, now this is the purest form that we carry. This is the grade 1. As you can see, it is pure, it is clear, and this cannot be used directly on your skin. If you're going to be using this product, you have to dilute it in your water, not in your water, you have to dilute it in your glycerin or in your soaps. Okay, you can use propylene glycol as well to dilute it if you want to use it directly, but this cannot be used directly on your skin. You have to put it in your cream or in your soap. And yes, you can use this product on your face, and I would prefer that you use it just in your creams because soap is a wash off product. Okay, I'm going to show you another product that you can use in your soap, but this one use in your creams, and it is very, very potent and very effective. This is what it looks like. This is the grade 1. You can see how clear it is. Now this, on the other hand, is the grade 2. You can see the color difference. Let me see if I can hold the two of them for you guys. So you can see the color difference, right? This is what both of them look like. This is the grade 1 and this is the grade 2. You can see the color difference. Now this is the grade 2 because it is not as concentrated as the grade 1. Okay, this product is still safe, but it is not as concentrated as the grade 1. Now, can you use this directly on your skin? If you're kind of person that has very bad knuckles, like your knuckles are terrible and they have textures, yes, you can put this directly on the knuckle, but please do not allow it touch the other part of your skin. In fact, don't use it. Put it in your cream. Okay, because I know a lot of you will go and rub it all over your body. Put it in your cream and use it because it has a very high concentration, and we will give you the usage rates that you're supposed to use in your products, both in your face cream and your body cream. So this is the grade 2. It is also very potent, but it is not as concentrated as the grade 1. And we decided to bring out other grades because a lot of you have been complaining that, oh, the grade 1 is too expensive for you, so you need something that you can easily afford. This is it. Is it very the price difference, is it too much from the grade 1? The grade 1 100 ml is 18,000 naira. This one 100 ml is 14,000 naira. Okay, so 4,000 naira difference, but you still get a good result from it. Do you understand? So if that will take you 7 days to see results, this may take you up to 10 days to see result, if that makes sense. So this is the grade 2. It is also very potent and very effective. I'm sorry that my glasses, my eyeglass is falling from my eye. That's because I have sunscreen on and I'm trying to see properly. Now this is the grade 3. Okay, I'm not sure I can carry all three of them together, but this is the grade 3. Can you see the difference? This is the grade 3. Okay, and just like the grade 2, this one is also not as potent, not as concentrated as the grade 1 or the grade 2. Now this particular one is 10,000 naira for 100 ml. Okay, this is 10,000 naira for 100 ml. You still get the same effect, but it is not as concentrated as the other two. Now you can definitely use this on your knuckles. If you have very dark pigmented knuckles, you can use this on your knuckles and you will have no issues. Okay, you will have no issues. But as well, make sure it doesn't touch the other part of your skin. Put it on and just massage it in, and in a few days you see that your knuckles have started clearing out. So yeah, this is the third grade. It is also very effective in dark spot removal, knuckle removal, and all of that. I'm slightly trying to show you my knuckles as well. But yeah, this is the grade 3 and it is very effective. This is our Skin Perfector Concentrate. Skin Perfector Concentrate. Just like the name implies, it has a skin perfecting ability. It helps to clear out your skin. Okay, now on the other hand, this is our raw whitening oil. Okay, this is our raw whitening oil. Now this oil, like the name implies, is raw whitening. So it can give you it's an extreme whitening oil that you can add in your creams and in your soap. Now if you have a very sensitive skin, I will advise that you use this strictly at the concentration that we give you. Don't try to go and overdo and say, oh, I want to get a quick result, and you go and use it more than what we have told you to use. There's a usage percentage rate that has been given for this product. Now we'll give you the usage that you use for your face creams and your body creams, and this one you can actually use in your soaps. Okay, this product you can use in your soaps, and will also give you a percentage rate to use in your soaps if you want to use it in your soaps. This is a raw whitening oil. It can also come in a clear form. Okay, this is just for aesthetic purposes. It can also come in a clear form, and this is very, very whitening. This can also clear dark knuckles, but the problem is because it's raw whitening, it will be whitening the other part of your skin, so you won't really be seeing that your knuckles are clearing out. So I will advise that if you're trying to clear out knuckles, you also incorporate the Skin Perfector serum into your formula and use it. But make sure that you are using both of them in a at the appropriate usage rate. I'm so sorry guys, I'm sweating. I'm in a hurry to leave the house, but I just felt I should give this update because a lot of you have been asking. So if you have been buying the Skin Perfector serum, of course you have been getting the highest grade. We just decided to bring the second and third grade so that other people can afford it as well. You know, we're always here to make sure everybody is winning. So this is our raw whitening oil. It is extreme whitening. Extreme. It is raw whitening, extreme whitening. So if you don't want to whiten your skin, please don't get this. If you want to get products that will give your clients a clean, creamy result, this is what you need. Okay, you can, in your formula, you can add other actives to just, you know, add the benefits of those actives, but this is a raw whitening product. All right, and you can use it in your soaps and your creams, while the Skin Perfector Concentrate, you don't need to use it in your soap except you want to just waste it. Don't use it in your soap. Okay, so yeah, these are the products that we have. Okay, we also have our porcelain water and our porcelain concentrate, but we are out of that right now. Once that comes back in stock, I will let you guys know. Probably by the end of the week we should have it in stock. And we also have wholesale deals for these products. So if you want to sell it, if you're an organic skincare supplier, you sell skincare products, you sell skincare materials, and you want to buy these products to resell, hit us up. We have it available for resale if you're interested. We have good deals as well, but this, note that these products are extremely expensive, and they are advanced products. They are really advanced products, so they are not cheap. But we have good deals for our wholesalers who are ready to get these products and sell to their customers on wholesale. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. Son has been dealing with me because I've been out house hunting. I said I was going to document the process, but I couldn't. Sun has been killing me. That's why I have the redness on my face. But other than that, my skin is glowing, popping, clean, and all of that. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, just let me know in my DM. Private message me, and I'll give you all the other informations that you need. All right. Bye.